The chief of Lamashagu is coming out to light the fire. So that is his elders and his warriors coming out to light the fire. So that is the chief of Lamashagu in the middle of the people coming out to light the fire. Chief of Lamashagu with multiple colors of our batakari, also known as smoke. To light the fire on behalf of all the communities. So this is the chief of Lamashagu with the holding stick. So this is the beginning of the lighting of the fire for the Fair Festival to be started. It is only the elders and the chief that is supposed to do it. Lamashagu is one of the most indigenous communities in Tamale. So the chief of Tamale is lighting the fire. This is the chief of Lamashagu. So this is the chief of Lamashagu